Welcome back to Mimi's vlog. She's eating breadstick. Hi. Say hi. 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 Here. Hi. We're gonna go get groceries but first we're gonna go to post office. Yeah. Punta kami ng Asia Mall, guys. And we also need to go to Walmart. Okay? I need to get yeast. Ayan nyo guys, ang paligid. It's all white. I'm dreaming. White.
Oh, look at that.
What?
Car in the ditch.
Hmm?
There's a car in the ditch.
To the left?
Yeah, in the middle.
See guys, pag ganito lagi pag all day mo ng snow. Excuse me.
Unbelievable.
White ang paligid. Ang ganda pag ganito. Tapos, pag hindi na naman umulan ng mga ilang days, matutunaw siya, tas ang dumi, ang pangit. Tas matubig. Yan. Ganda lang pag ganito. Yan.
Look at someone went over there too. There's marks through the center.
Daming na-discrash. I saw on news, there's a lot of people crashes yesterday. No?
I don't know. I didn't really look. Good thing I made it both ways.
Yeah, daw. Mimi said, ha. Traffic light. Batang gala. Basta gala, si Amelia, no reklamo. No? You like being outside? Show your teeth. Show your teeth. So, pupunta muna kami ng Asia Mall, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo yung Asia Mall. Nasa Asia Mall, guys. Mall ng mga Chinese. Kadalasan tinda dito Chinese. Meron din mga Filipino pero saglit lang. Kasi konti lang. Meron din Vietnamese, Japanese, but more on Chinese. Ang bilis nila guys. Oh. You want sit? You want sit? No? Your action. You like it, Vo? I'm gonna go in, huh? You can let her enjoy the view. Tingnan natin. Ano yung gulay nila? Oh, bibili ako ng kalabasa. Ito guys, oh, yung kalasa ng Pinas. Na kalabasa. Maliit lang. Ano pang ano? Mukha siyang ano, magulang. Persimmon, durian. Dati may buko pa sila dito, ngayon wala. Ay, meron. Kaso walang balat. Gusto ko yung may balat pa kung magbibiyak. What else? I'm gonna let's try this. Ang kailangan ko dito, yung suka, mga Pilipino pala, guys. No. Gusto ko mamili, guys. Ano naman magtatay? Ulirang ama. Look at you. She likes your food. Come to mommy. We're waiting for daddy to be done eating. So may second floor sila, guys. Mga shops. Beauty shops. May restaurant din. Hindi na kami aakyat. Lang kami waiting for daddy. Mimi is eating her breadsticks still. Oh, she wants to go down. We can't. What's this? Is this from your sauce? It's your sauce.
No.
What is it? I still have kulite. We're done with our errands for today. Hermosa. My Hermosa is sleepy now. She's ready to go night-night. Yeah? You ready to go night-night? We went to Walmart and post office. Now we're on our way home. It's almost 2 p.m. Later we're gonna do a photo shoot, Mimi, okay? Yeah, we have a photo shoot session.